Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Sensational Half Wig Money Maker.
Don't let that money maker.
So as you can see, it does not take long to throw this girl on. I didn't do a bunch of styles. I did too. You can wear it all down. I like this little swoop action. Now I will mention she came long. She came long to me. So I did do a good bit of shopping to her. So this is Sensational Moneymaker from Sensationnel's Curl, Kinks, and Co line. That line is kind of known for their kinky textured wigs, natural textured wigs. To me, it gives her giving hair dupe. It's kind of synonymous to Outrage's Big Beautiful hairline. Everybody has a line for natural textured hair, quote unquote. Anywho, this is their half wig. They also do have a lace front wig. Personally, I don't like the lace front wigs in this type of line because they give you like a centimeter of lace. You can finesse it, but I would just rather do the leave out. For this, I did not leave my hair out. I'm sure it would be smoother if I did. I didn't want to. I didn't want to. You can. I didn't want to. So I just swooped this part back with a little clip and used my rat tail end to bring up some of my hair to kind of camouflage that the front of my wig, and then swooped my edges down over there. Now it's described as being for curl types 3B and 4C. You can hot water set it when it gets super frizzy. It's designed so you can wear it with minimal leave out. I just choose to wear it with none because I like for it to be protective. They give you maintenance tips on the site, and the length is categorized as being long on their site, but I did cut it to like a medium length because this is just how I like the length that I like my wigs. I like them kind of shoulder length or shorter. I don't like dealing with all the hair. I really don't. It's a lot. And then it's getting hot too, girl. No, it's too much hair for me. But yeah, I give this wig a good 4 out of 5. 5 out of 5 really. But when I first put it on, it was a good 2. It needs some work. But when you work with it, it's definitely a 4. It does come in a good bit of colors. It seems like they're mostly natural colors. I don't know how the colors will look with this texture, but the body is really nice. It's definitely giving roller set, perm set. Good everyday. It's a good everyday wig. But thank y'all for watching my video. Come back for another one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.